Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to utilize keyframe animations in edits. All right. So basically, when I open up a video right here, let's say, for example, I'm going to cut a section, like, for example, this one, and then I'm going to add in one more like that. Now, to be able to add a keyframe, and as you might notice here, we don't have any keyframing option, but there's a workaround. All right. Unlike CapCut, we have the keyframe option. Okay. Now, to be able to replicate that under the Edits app, we have the option here at the bottom that says Effects. All right, just tap on it. And here, as you can see, we'll be able to use Zoom. All right, Super Zoom, and some other effects right here. Now, it would be great if Instagram Edits adds a keyframe option, so that would be easier for us to, pinpoint which object would be followed by the zoom. All right. Say, for example, this one, the default zoom. I'm just going to tap on it. Here's the preview. I'm going to go ahead and slowly play the video for you like that. And it's going to slowly zoom in right in this section. Okay. Move, move, move. The downside of this is that you'll have to make sure that the object is in the center. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.